Hi, he's one of my favorite artists, John Prine. Come home late and you come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. Come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's coming over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You're broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Might have mean and dreadful sorrow across the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow when we ain't got one word to say? What in the world's coming over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Got a man that made me furrow. I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can you ask about tomorrow when it left so far behind? And what in the world's coming over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. So what in the world's coming over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Obviously it needs a little more practice, but such a beautiful song. Thank you.